Tired of neck pain impacting your daily life? Discover the innovative relief of kinesiology tape at Dopps Chiropractic. KT tape is a lightweight, elastic sports tape designed to relieve pain while supporting muscles, tendons, and ligaments. When applied correctly, it provides pain relief and support without restricting movement, reduces inflammation, and facilitates the healing process. KT tape works by microscopically lifting the skin, alleviating pressure on pain receptors, enhancing lymphatic drainage and blood flow, and supporting weak or injured neck muscles. Proper tape placement for specific neck pain issues, techniques to maximize relief and support, and tips for skin preparation and tape maintenance are essential for effective application. KT tape is versatile, non-invasive, and customizable, making it suitable for daily activities, sports, and recovery, and tailored to individual needs and pain points. Ready to embrace a life of reduced pain and increased activity? Contact Dopps Chiropractic to schedule a consultation and get started with KT tape today.